Do you ever wake up feeling overwhelmed by the day's demands, craving a sense of calm and purpose? Have you wondered how ancient Stoic wisdom can help shape a more meaningful and tranquil start to your day? Are you ready to transform your morning routine by embracing practices that foster gratitude, mindfulness, and resilience? Join us as we explore a Stoic-inspired morning routine to create a peaceful and purposeful day. One core tenet of Stoicism is acknowledging the impermanent nature of all things. Each morning, before the day's chaos begins, take a moment to immerse yourself in this reality. Find a quiet spot where you can sit undisturbed. Ensure your posture is relaxed but upright, reflecting the balance you seek between calmness and alertness. Close your eyes and envision the vast universe, stars being born and dying, galaxies spinning in time's dance. Picture Earth as a tiny dot, with civilizations rising and falling, mountains standing tall, and rivers carving paths. Bring your focus closer to your own life, a mere blink in the grand scheme. This visualization is not to diminish our significance, but to highlight the preciousness and brevity of our existence. Grasping life's transient nature emphasizes the value of each day, prompting us to prioritize what truly matters over trivial distractions. This mindset prepares you to navigate the day with a deeper sense of purpose. This ritual isn't about confronting mortality with fear, but embracing the present with love, reverence, and action. As Seneca wisely said, life is long if you know how to use it. Grounding our mornings in this practice reminds us to live each day fully, meaningfully, and with grace. Journal your thoughts. Journaling, deeply rooted in Stoic practice, is more than recording events. It's an intimate conversation with oneself. It's an act of introspection, grounding, and sometimes catharsis. Translating thoughts into words can be profoundly transformative. Choose a journal that resonates with you, whether a simple notebook, an ornate diary, or a digital document. This is your sacred space, free of judgment and external expectations. Begin each morning by writing down your first thoughts, whether remnants of dreams, lingering feelings from the previous day, or anticipations about the day ahead. This initial spill helps clear mental clutter, like sweeping the courtyard of fallen leaves. Shift your focus to gratitude. Stoicism teaches the value of appreciating the present. List 3 things you're genuinely grateful for, whether it's the warmth of your blanket, a loved one's smile, or the mere privilege of waking up. Beyond gratitude, delve into self-reflection. Ponder a Stoic principle or reflect on a personal challenge. Ask yourself, am I living in alignment with my values? Where did I act impulsively rather than reasonably yesterday? How can I be better today? This isn't self-criticism, but self-awareness and growth. Finally, set an intention for the day based on Stoic virtues of wisdom, courage, justice, and temperance. This serves as your moral compass, guiding your actions and decisions throughout the day. Remember, your journal is a mirror reflecting your inner world. It's a tool, a friend, a mentor. Marcus Aurelius's Meditations started as his personal journal, reminding himself of Stoic principles, understanding his actions, and navigating life's complexities. Set daily intentions, not goals. Goals and intentions both guide us. They do so in different ways. Goals are future-oriented, focusing on outcomes and achievements. Intentions, however, are present, moment anchors rooted in our values and the person we aspire to be daily. Stoicism emphasizes the distinction between what we can control and what we cannot. Goals, often linked to external outcomes, may sometimes fall outside our control. Despite our best efforts, unforeseen obstacles can arise. Intentions, however, remain within our dominion. They are daily affirmations of our personal values, a conscious choice of how we wish to navigate the world regardless of external circumstances. After clearing your mind through journaling, reflect on the kind of day you wish to experience. Rather than focusing on tasks to accomplish, ask yourself, who do I intend to be today? Do you intend to be patient, embracing each moment without rushing, compassionate, understanding everyone fights their own battles, courageous, confronting challenges head-on, and stepping out of your comfort zone? Write down these intentions. They might look like, today, I will listen more than I speak. I will approach conflicts with understanding. I will find moments of stillness amidst chaos. These aren't tasks to tick off, but reminders of the character you aspire to embody. Seneca beautifully put it. It does not matter what you bear, but how you bear it. Intentions guide our reactions, decisions, and behaviors, becoming active choices shaping our day. By setting daily intentions, you commit not to outcomes, but to virtues, defining success not by achievements, but by how you act, respond, and exist in the world. It's a profound perspective shift, aligning with Stoic wisdom, ensuring a clear vision of your personal journey despite the day's unpredictability. Embrace discomfort. In our modern world, comfort is often seen as an expectation, a yardstick of progress. Yet, the Stoics recognized that the unchallenged pursuit of comfort could hinder personal growth. They believed in deliberately introducing small discomforts to fortify the spirit, cultivate resilience, and prepare for life's inevitable adversities. Seneca advised, set aside a certain number of days during which you shall be content with the scantiest and cheapest fare, with coarse and rough dress, saying to yourself the while, is this the condition that I feared? This practice wasn't about promoting needless suffering, but breaking the chains of dependency on external comforts and reminding ourselves of our innate strength. Each day, think of small ways to introduce voluntary discomfort. Perhaps take a cold shower to invigorate your senses, serving as a metaphorical baptism, washing away inertia and reminding you of your capacity to endure and thrive. Or skip that first cup of coffee, reminding yourself that your will and drive come from within, not from external stimulants. You could also set aside 10 minutes to meditate on a past hardship, recognizing the strength you displayed and the growth that emerged. Or choose to walk or bike to work instead of driving, embracing the physical exertion as a testament to your body's capabilities. These daily acts of discomfort serve as training for the mind and spirit, preparing us for larger unforeseen challenges. They also provide perspective, helping us appreciate comforts when we have them and understand they aren't the cornerstones of our happiness. Embracing discomfort isn't about punishment, but empowerment, tapping into a deeper reservoir of strength, shedding unnecessary dependencies, and embracing a Stoic sense of freedom that comes from realizing true contentment is independent of external conditions. Practice mindfulness. In meditation, while Stoicism and mindfulness come from different cultural roots, ancient Greece for Stoicism and Eastern traditions for mindfulness, they converge in their focus on living a centered, purposeful life. The Stoics were attuned to the present moment, believing most human suffering arises from dwelling on the past or anxiously anticipating the future. Epictetus stated, "Men are disturbed not by things, but by the views which they take of them," highlighting the importance of our perceptions and the power of the present moment. Begin your morning with a dedicated space for mindfulness or meditation. This doesn't mean sitting in a lotus position or chanting mantras, unless that resonates with you. It's about grounding yourself in the here and now. Find a quiet spot and adopt a comfortable posture. Close your eyes and draw your attention inward. Start by observing your breath, feeling the rise and fall of your chest, or the sensation of air entering and leaving your nostrils. Your breath, ever present, serves as an anchor to the current moment. When your mind wanders, gently bring your attention back to your breath without judgment. Once settled, expand your awareness to your body's sensations. Feel the weight of your body against the chair or floor, the room's temperature, the fabric against your skin. Recognize these sensations without attaching a narrative to them. They just are. Then, observe your thoughts and emotions, visualizing them as leaves floating on a stream or clouds drifting across the sky. The key is detachment. You're the observer, not the participant. This practice aligns with the Stoic emphasis on distinguishing between events and our judgments about them. Dedicate the final moments of your meditation to reflect on a Stoic tenet or quote. For instance, let this wisdom guide your actions and reactions for the day. Incorporating mindfulness and meditation into your morning routine is more than a calming ritual. It's a Stoic exercise in recognizing and cherishing the present, discerning between external events and internal responses, and cultivating mental equanimity against life's uncertainties. Visit Stoic Teachings. The wisdom of Stoic teachings offers a timeless compass for navigating life with grace, resilience, and purpose. These teachings are not mere words to be read once and forgotten. They require consistent attention to flourish within us and manifest in our daily actions. Every morning, immerse yourself in the wisdom of the Stoic masters. Reflect on the writings of Marcus Aurelius, Seneca, or Epictetus. Rather than reading these works as you would any other book, approach them with reverence and intention. Let serendipity guide you by randomly selecting a passage from a Stoic text or using a dedicated Stoic daily meditation book. Often, this leads to a piece of wisdom that feels pertinent to your present circumstances. Consider how the passage relates to your life, challenges, and aspirations. How can this piece of wisdom illuminate your day? What lesson can you carry into your interactions, decisions, and responses? For instance, if you encounter Marcus Aurelius's reminder that the happiness of your life depends upon the quality of your thoughts, let it serve as a beacon throughout the day. Whenever you face a challenge or a moment of doubt, recall this wisdom and choose your thoughts deliberately. Another profound practice is to write down key insights and keep them visible throughout the day. A sticky note on your mirror, a background image on your phone, or a note in your pocket can serve as gentle reminders of your morning reflections. In revisiting Stoic teachings, you're not just learning, you're internalizing a philosophy that molds your character and fortifies your spirit. It's a commitment to living a virtuous life, guided by wisdom, courage, justice, and temperance. This continuous engagement with Stoic wisdom ensures that its teachings don't remain abstract concepts, but become lived experiences, shaping your daily existence. Conclusion. As we wrap up, remember that incorporating these Stoic practices into your morning routine isn't about adding more tasks to your day, but about creating space for reflection, growth, and alignment with your core values. By starting your day with mindfulness, intention, and wisdom, you're setting a foundation for a life of purpose and tranquility. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon to stay updated with more insights into Stoic living. Thanks for watching, and may your mornings be peaceful and your days purposeful.